Next we are discussing a very important point, that is domain. Domain of function. Domain of function. So domain of function is what? It is values of x that can be taken by the function, that can be taken by the function. Okay, or we can say the values of x for that function is defined, or we can say function value should be real. Function value should be real. Okay, for example, if I write y equal to root over x. Okay, so here what are the x value we can put here? We can put x value positive, we can put here x value 0, we can put, but x value should not be negative. Okay, so here this is defined if x is greater than or equal to 0. So from here solution will come out. If you use Wavy curve, what will come? See, this is what critical point is what 0. So this side is what positive. So right hand side, if I put any values here, we'll get positive, and left hand side what will come? Negative. We want left hand side positive. So this portion is your solution. So what is the solution? X belongs to 0 is what? Included. So close interval 0 to infinity. That is your domain. So y equal to root x, domain is what? X belongs to 0 to infinity. These value only we can put here. If you put any other value, this function is what? Not defined. Okay, if I put negative value, so root or minus 2 is what? Not real. That's why negative value will not come in domain. Next example, if I take y equal to x minus 3 divided by x plus 2. So here we can put any value, but if denominator is 0, then whole thing is what? Undefined. So where denominator is 0, at x equal to minus 2. So except minus 2 we can put any values. So what is the domain here? X belongs to r minus minus 2. Except minus 2, all the values we can put here. So domain is what? R minus minus 2. That is your domain. Next we are discussing graphical method for finding domain. So what is a domain if graph is given? Okay, so domain is interval covered by the graph on x-axis is called domain. Okay, so domain is interval covered by the graph on x-axis is called domain. So if I give graph, suppose this is the graph. Okay, so here this value is what? Y equal to suppose alpha, and this value is what? Y equal to beta. Okay, so here alpha is also included, beta is also included. Okay, so with respect to alpha, x value suppose a. So alpha is included, that means a is also included. So this is solid circle. And similarly beta is included, so that means with respect to beta, suppose x value is what? B. This is also included. So what is the interval? From A to B. So domain is x belongs to close interval A to close interval B. That is your domain. Now if I give graph this one, suppose this one, this is a 0, and with this one we are getting x value is what? 4. So this point is not included. That means 0 is what? Not included. And this graph is what? Y equal to suppose g of x. So what is the domain here? Domain is 0 is what? Not included. So x belongs to 0 is what? Open bracket. this point is included, that means 4 is what included. Okay, this value we are getting if x is what 4. So what will come here? 0, 4. 4 is what close because this is included. So that is your domain.